finally, chainsaw noise has stopped. They're just talking now, maybe having a break. Hello YouTube land, it's Tuesday and I want to say thank you for tuning in to my channel today. Let's see what we can vlog. So finally they stopped. I'm not sure if they just stopped because I still see it's the second day of their operation, guys, and I still see a big branch there. It's a cut. It's already cut. I don't know how they did it. Like on top of it, we're against the light. So like yeah, on top of it, it's been cut, and I think for 2 days they're also burning. I'm not sure if you can see the smoke, but like they're burning maybe few branches that they cannot use. So finally guys, so let's go out. It's crazy, we couldn't sleep or we can get a nap. Like I'm not sure what tree they're cutting down, but look at that, it's like that. Next, it's just straight that noise, guys, and it's just so annoying. You know when you're tired and you can't get the rest because like you don't have control over what's happening with the world. So let's just go to the goats and move them somewhere else where they're kind of far from the snakes, because right now they're at the back paddock and grazing from that area where Nong Fredo I's Papa first brush cut. They love to eat or to graze from an area that's brush cut like a week earlier. Yes, so let's go. This morning, guys, I see fish from like when I harvested my Madre de Agua for my goats breakfast. I saw plenty of fish in the creek, like 5 to 6 inch big, beside the Madre de Agua area. And that's a very shallow portion of our creek. So let's see also, let's see here if we have that type of fish also in this back paddock or back creek area. It's just so hot, guys. I'm with I. Ugh, 2 big fish over here. I thought it recorded, but it didn't. So I missed to film it. But yeah, it's big. Like one is a foot long and one is less than a foot long over here in this area here. However, yesterday when I was herding, William was trying to kill a cobra here. You see this stick? William was trying to kill a cobra there. I mean, with him up here, and then he's trying to throw that to the cobra, but it went in the bamboo mat. So, it's kind of high pressure at the moment, guys. My goats are there. I want to like tie them up here, but they're not listening to me. Let's just wait for them to come and see the fish. Let's go farther. Now, guy. Oh, yeah, it's here, but I can't see with the reflection of the clouds. Kanina line? Ah. Naghan magkanang kung ano lilo-lilo nga gagmay. I don't know, there's no rain last night, but I don't know where this high pressure of water is coming from. There's so many little fish here. Not sure if I can show you guys, but like I see them in this little branch. I'm not sure if it's clear. There, in this branch is so many. Just not sure if you can see. So many. So cute. The big ones are over here because this is a deeper part of the creek. Let's see down here where there's high pressure. Hello. Huh? William and I have our fishing gears that we brought from Qatar when we were there, and we haven't used it ever since we got here. Never used them. We've never used them. Shh! Billy! Lottie is so poor. Like all these boys are chasing her. Cannot see any, guys. It's just down that bridge. William said this morning the neighbors are like fishing again while he was here at the avocado tree. I can't find here, maybe because of the high pressure. The seashells in the seashore, not in the seashore. So many seashells. Look at that. Clams. And there's a lot. Looks like I don't know, so many shells, guys. Can see any fish? Let's go back to the fish. Maybe it's Shh, Billy! Na? Maybe they're the mama and papa. The big one is the papa. Maybe the papa is the big one and the smallish one, I mean like 10 inches or like 9 inches is the mama, and the foot length is the papa. Maybe it's better. Basig mas gwapo siya, makita siya sa taas ay. Gamang with reflection sa clouds. Let's see it from the top. I can see one. It's moving. It's not this one, guys. The black. My camera cannot zoom any farther. But like, if you can see this black, it's black here. It's either the mama or the papa. See, it keeps moving. Tiring, tiring. Swinging. The other one, you can see anymore. Ang isa ay nara diri ay oh. Ang tag-asa ang isa. Diha sila kadaghan pagkaon. Let's get back later. Come on, guys! Shh, Hercules! There they are, guys. See them moving? Ooh. Pantats. The pantats. Oh, there they are. There they are. Ooh. They're the mama and papa, surely, of those little. Oh. Quick update for my Yuja cha, my citron tea. I use cold water this time. Like during the day, I use cold water, and at night, I use warm water or like hot water. I like it just warm, like lukewarm-ish water. So good, guys. Either cold or hot, warm. It's just so good. So good. And I'm already halfway finished. Where there's some deep part of the creek, let's see if there are also fish like this area here at the curve, because earlier that was there. Fish are beside the Madre de Agua, and here is deeper because of this bamboo. So let's see. There's fish over here. A little fish only I see. You see that, guys? Not sure if you can see. I can't even see with my glasses on the camera. But yeah, plenty of small fish like before in this area. There's bigger there. Let's go. There's some electric fence over here. I'm scared. I'm kind of scared, but before we go there, where there is this, here is deeper. I can't see any. Nothing. It's really like a forest here, guys. Scary. Maybe anaconda is living in this neighbor farm. It doesn't even look like a farm. It looks like a forest. They're cutting down their coconut trees. And whoa, nice butterfly. And it's gone. That was here earlier. Oh, there's a dinosaur, a T-Rex. See that, guys? A toy dinosaur, or a frog. I don't know. Water is too blurry. So many rubbish from the neighbors, guys. It's crazy, like you would not believe. So we can't find any fish anymore in this area. Maybe they have gone to the back paddock, the fruit area, where there's also a creek where we've seen the big mama fish and papa fish earlier. So thank you for watching today's vlog, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell for future vlogs. Bye.